Australian publisher Harold Weldon believed that he has embarked on the Long March for 3 times, literally and symbolically. Weldon, 56, is a writer and China advisor. His first Long March started in 1985.
The Long March, of course, is about the story of the Red Army. We thought it would be a good idea to show the world sort of unknown China through the lens of the story of the Long March. We went to the beautiful mountains and all of the different groups within China and beautiful geography and culture. It was really the strength and endurance. And I think it teaches us all to never give up, whatever your circumstance. So yeah, when we did that trip, we were tired and hungry, and we only walked about 50 kilometres of the 10,000 kilometres, and we did it again, 25 years later. Even then, we needed that sort of spirit to keep us going. So it's the spirit of never giving up.
This year marks the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between China and Australia, in which the publisher said he had been apart for 37 years.
I arrived in April 1985 and began a journey that I'm still on. I'm still on the Long March.